Hello friend, in this video we will talk about I am going to check on the capcut app whether it is having any effect or not. If it is having any effect, then it is reducing it or not. Hello friend, I am Vinod. Welcome to this video. So friend, first of all, let's open CapCut. Click on the new project video. Then I came into new project. No effect were big see on photo and video, but all the other options were available, but the video and audio photo effect for the background was not available. It was not coming even after provide network connection. That's all for today video. If you learn something from this video, please let's know by comment. Thank you.